Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a Gearwrench and OTC tool haul today. Starting with the Gearwrench stuff. Got this Gearwrench 1/4 inch set. Part number 80300P. It was on a promo this month. Came with 6-point 1/4 inch swivel, standard and metric for free. The reason I got this stuff is I run a service truck full time and I'm sort of tired of my snap-on stuff getting beat up and a little bit rusty and damp and stuff. So if I can get a more economical tool and put it in the truck, I won't feel so bad if it gets a little beat up or if I lose a socket or whatever. Get into this Gearwrench set. What size do we have here? 3/16 to 9/16. And 4 to 15 mil, including 15.5, both standard and deep. It's got the new 120 XP ratchet, a little, looks like palm ratchet. Let's see what's in here. Like a blow molded case. Pretty good latches. The 2 extensions, the universal. Here's the new 120 XP. Fairly fine. I'd say very comparable to a snap-on. Nice etching on the sockets. Not sure if you can see that or not. And labeled Gearwrench. And the number sizes on both sides. And some knurling at the bottom. Shallow sockets only seem to have the size on the one side. Still carry the knurling to the bottom. Little palm ratchet. It's fairly fine too. Surprised how fine it is. It's reversible. Overall, I hope it's a pretty good set. Moving on to the swivels. They do come on this blue rail. They also don't skip a size. We've got 5 to 15 with a 5.5. They are pinned. They have a good range of motion. And the sizing is on the bottom. Little box damage there. A little standard set, a little smaller, 7-piece set. It comes on this red rail. Same numbering and pin sockets. All 6-point, by the way. Next thing is this OTC 5950A. The reason I bought it is this angled crimper. Sometimes when you're up in the dash, it's sort of hard to get the pliers straight on like this. You want to sort of come alongside the wire. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but 12 to 20 gauge, and it does a bare and an insulated crimp with cutters in here, not at the base of the plier. Sort of overmold grip. Feels like it might be slippy with some liquid on it or something, but generally you're pretty dry when you're doing some wiring unless you're outside in the rain. Next item, bought this for working at home mainly. An OTC tool, again, 6007. It's for prying on lower control arms. So this would go around your control arm. pry bar through here, and you can pry down instead of trying to get into the control arm somehow and maybe damage something, a CV boot or sway bar link, something like that, or catch an ABS sensor wire. And lastly, Gearwrench torque wrenches. Part number on those I don't have right offhand. The 3/8 is an 85062, 10 to 100 foot-pounds. The 1/2 inch is an 85066, 30 to 250 foot-pounds. They're clip-style torque wrenches, not digital. Fairly knurled grip on them. Definitely not 120 XP head in them, I don't think. Still pretty fine, reversible, fixed head, not flexed. And the 3/8 and 1/2 are the same. Both have foot-pounds and Newton meters. Both in these blow molded cases. I will have to label them 1/2 and 3/8 because I'll always grab the wrong case. There's the 1/2 inch, you can see good sized head on it. Again, reversible, fixed. And we've also got foot-pounds and Newton meters. So we'll see how this stuff works out. Like I said, I'd like to have all of this stuff and snap-on stuff, but I'd like to get it out of the service truck and back in the toolbox at work. And I won't use it very often, but it won't be getting lost, wet, or left on a truck at a job site. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully everybody's staying safe with the COVID-19 and everybody's washing their hands and staying 6 feet apart.